My name is Professor Jean Greyling from Nelson Mandela University Computing Sciences. My project is the Tanks coding app, which was developed by Byron Batteson, an honours student in our department. As a computing sciences department, we're very aware of the desperate shortage of software developers in our country and most of the world. Consequently, companies are desperate to employ our graduates. Unfortunately, thousands of learners across our country attend schools where they have no access to computers. Tanks allows us to go into a school with no computers, a few puzzle pieces and one cell phone, and very practically introduce coding to kids and then talk to them about computers as a career.
I went to Lungisa High School in Port Elizabeth, Kotwesi. In school, we were never taught programming until I came here to university. And Tanks can definitely help in schools in those areas.
Because Tanks only uses mobile devices, we have a vision to go across our borders into the remotest parts of Africa, introducing kids to coding as well as computer science careers. This was acknowledged by UNESCO when we were invited as one of 60 global projects to Paris in March. The focus was education to disadvantaged communities. You have 35 different levels. The challenge is always to get the tank to the destination. So when the learner reaches level 35, we've introduced concepts like for loop, while loop, if statement, nested loops, and optimization. The basic concepts that we would teach first-year programming students. What you see here is a typical Tanks workshop which we present at schools across the country. We've reached about 4,000 learners in South Africa in this way. And this is much more than coding. This is problem solving, logical thinking, teamwork, and obviously fun. SAB Foundation funding will assist us to have these kind of coding camps across South Africa, in rural areas and in our townships, where kids will have access to mobile phones and will be introduced to coding by playing Tanks. We would also love to empower our collaborators in Gauteng, Joburg libraries. We have 100 libraries across the metro and we're in desperate need of mobile devices to play Tanks. What you see here is Tanks changing lives, and this can happen all across Africa.
I understand coding now. I can do this.
It's fair to solve the problems with our friends.